Yeah, you know bonding curve? You know exactly what it is? Only one builder? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can anyone can explain? Come on here. I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay. Alright, so yeah, several people know about the bonding curve concept, but still, rest of them are not familiar with. So I'm gonna briefly introduce about the concept of bonding curve first. So when not just you, like whether you, let's say there's some creator who want to tokenize something, like want to issue some NFT by using their followers. What should they do? They should issue the token first, right? And then to make them tradable, they usually have to support liquidity, like in Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Without them, then just issue a token is just useless, because people cannot trade token, right? But by using bonding curve, you don't need to do that because bonding curve is a formula, like in smart contract, that defines the relationship between this token supply versus token price. For example, this is one of the bonding curve examples. This token has a token as a subset. Means that whenever people purchase this token, you have to pay a token that is calculated the exact amount of by the bonding curve, and then that goes trajectory into a based bonding curve pool, and which will be the liquidity pool of this token. So for example, this token now currently has 50 current supply, and if someone purchases 10 tokens of this, then bonding curve calculates this area size, which is really simple math, right? Is multiplied this. So they calculate this area size of amount of 8 tokens, and this token goes to directly into bonding curve pool of this token. Why do we do this? Because bonding curve works automatically, increasing the bonding curve back pool or decreasing the bonding curve back pool based on the token demands. And this token creator does not need to manually support the liquidity pool on Uniswap, which saves a ton of money and a ton of process, right? So how does it work? Again, so there are 2 aids here, and then so first of all, this aid want to purchase some bonding curve token issued in a Bitcoin. Then this token will be minted to this person, and then this person have to pay the PayPal token, which is a token in this use case. Then this a token will be bonded in a bonding curve pool. When this token is sold, then this token to be sold will be burned by this bonding curve contract, and the A token that was in the bonding curve pool will be back to this seller. So as you can see, the pool just automatically runs based on this bonding curve mechanism. So okay, the biggest benefit of using bonding curve is to remove the process of manual liquidity support. Probably some here still think that why is it so important? We can just simply supply the liquidity pool in Uniswap, which is really easy, just for you, right? How many people here who has experiences to manually support the liquidity pool in Uniswap or PancakeSwap or other like an AMM basis pool? I have experiences to support a liquidity pool. Yeah. You guys are builder. Only 2 people raise a hand. Yeah. Have you ever support the liquidity pool in the Uniswap version 3? Yeah, version 3. Yeah. And then what you need to do is you have to make a position, right? Yeah. Was it easy for you? Because he's genius. Yeah, there was never correct. I've been so far 5 times of experiences to support the manual liquidity pool in Uniswap. Still, I need to check some docs and stuff to find the best position of my liquidity, which is really complicated and requires a lot of money. How many about the name. I've heard about the name. So few of them, okay. So the concept of friends tag used to be like you just issue your token by using your Twitter identity. So literally, you kind of tokenize your kind of famousness in a social space, and people trade over your identity, which is called as key. They also use Boniker, which is all the same formula for every keys. So what will happen is that whenever people purchase this person's token, then it just follows by Boniker. So if someone purchases the token, then it increases the Boniker pool, and when someone sells this token, it increases the Boniker pool. Imagine if French Tech did not use Boniker. Then what this person had to do is that, after he issued his token, and then maybe French Tech said that, no, you need to have some $50,000 a month of the liquidity support. Then no one is gonna do that, right? Because it's ridiculous. So that's why Boniker is required for most of the social buy project, because it removes the biggest barrier of the tokenization, which is manual liquidity provision. Maybe I'll just cut my explanation and then I'll show you how Mint Club works directly from the website. So Mint Club is actually a protocol, and then we have web interface called mint.club. When you go to mint.club, you can see there are a bunch of Boniker-backed tokens or NFTs already formed in the mainnet. Because Mint Club is launched version 2 is launched about 2 to 3 months ago, and there are already about over 2,000 tokens already formed by using this Mint Club Boniker system. Let's talk about some examples. So, when you think about Boniker-backed Web3 project, base of that is really important, because think about this one, this project called Member. Member is a meme token, which is quite famous in Podcaster. How many people here who has Podcaster account here? You're super Web3 builder, super design, really great person. You have everything. But yeah, Podcaster is not that popular here, but it's really raising a lot on a global level. And there is a very famous meme token there. So this is ERC20 token on base network. And what they did, they created kind of Podcaster ID basis NFT. Like for example, this person, Jesse Polak. Do you know who he is, Jesse Polak? Anyone who knows? Yeah, okay. Who is it? Yeah, he's one of the co-founders of the Base Network, right? Yeah. He also has, he's also member meme token holder. So he created his Podcaster-based TFP NFT by using member token. So what is happening? I'll show you. If I purchase this gesticular NFT, like 10 NFT here, then see the Boniker calculates the area size, which is the amount of the member token, which is the base asset of this Boniker token. I have to pay to buy 10 NFT of this. I'll try to buy. Not expensive, don't worry about it. And then it's gonna work right away because it uses base network, which is really fast. It's supposed to be right. Yes. And now let's see this transaction. So, it's not really much visible, but I'll explain it properly. So, I paid certain amount of member token, which is the base asset of that NFT. And then that goes to the Boniker backed pool. And this Boniker contract issued 10 gesticular NFT to me. So in this transaction, it's kind of similar with just like a swap transaction in Uniswap. The biggest difference is that in Uniswap swap transaction, it just interacts with the paired token swap, right? But in this one, bonding curve contract just control everything, like the token minting and burning, also slash the bonding curve back to pool operations. This is the biggest difference. So I'll go back to slide. Oh, by the way, if you guys have any questions in between my presentation, just feel free to raise a hand and ask any questions.
I got a question.
Yeah?
We've been talking about NFTs, but it looks like they're fungible actually. Like you can trade one for the other and all the same. So does this work with NFT are non-fungible or?
That's a really great question. Actually, we support only 1155, so semi-fungible token, because as he said, what's your name again? Northswap. Wow, you're going to make something swap protocol.
This name came here for crypto.
Sorry, just joking. So yeah, as he said, this only works for the semi-fungible token because the ERC 721, which is completely non-fungible, it is impossible to trade it this way because it's only one edition in the world. But when you think about semi-fungible tokens, NFT form, so again, this Jesse Clark, I'm not sure if he's gonna see this, but I think he's gonna be embarrassed if I keep using his examples. But yeah, his NFT has 1,000 max supply, right? And I got just 10 of that, right? Then I just have 10 of 1,000. It's not like 10 specific edition of case. So semi-fungible tokens works a little bit different to the completely non-fungible token. But still semi-fungible token is still classified as NFT. And even you can trade that in OpenSea. I'll show you. So see, this is Jesse Polak's NFT. And view in the OpenSea. See, there's a Jesse Polak's member token NFT here. Now it says 61 owners. And I didn't log in, so it doesn't show them. Probably if I log in, then at some point here, it's gonna say you have 10 of this. It doesn't say that you have 10 edition of this NFT. So which is difference between 721 versus 1155? 721 or 41. All right. Let's keep going. Okay, yeah, ask a question like that. I love to get answered. This is kind of unique part of Mint Club. We use discrete bonding curve model, which is just short-term DBC, because if the bonding curve is completely continuous, we actually tried in the version 1. Then there is some difficulties in solidity coding. Like, I'm not actually an engineer, so I don't know what exact problem, but my engineer said that there's some gas speed optimization problem, and then also fully optimizable bonding curve design is kind of not possible. So we kind of developed this way, called kind of step basis bonding curve model. So in this model, what you can do actually, there's a bunch of bond step arrays. Like you can set to each range versus price set. And then this is kind of set array. So the biggest benefit of this model is that if you keep increasing this step array, like 2, 3, 100, then it works almost like a continuous line. Also, if you reduce this step size, then it works more like a step basis. So you can create actually a variety of different token economy of using bonding curve, which is a really great part. We actually provide very simple but powerful SDK. If you go to sdk.mint.club, you can access right away. By using this SDK, actually, how many here are backend or smart contract developers here? I'm a backend or smart contract. So 9 people. Yeah. Without them, you can still make like Web3 social project by using our SDK. I'm joking. Maybe you need to have some crucial roles still. Without the heavy backend and smart contract development, you can still make these kind of Web3 ready application. Here's the actual case. We're working with some American team who are using. They're just two developers, both are front ends, and they're making Web3 ready by just simply using our SDK. So if you jump into Mint actually your backend or smart contract developers can work something more creative part. Like so you can make separate contract that work with Mint contract to add up some feature which will be more powerful. So this is definitely really great benefit. You can leverage this part with another price path. If the another price path supports EVM, then you can just think about just utilizing one per contract, and then your backend smart contract also develop another contract, and then cross like applications for the different parts. Or even if it's just EVM, you can just deploy support the multiple mainnet and testnet. Again, we support Ethereum-based Arbitrum Polygon Blast Avalanche DNB mainnet chain, which will cover most of the other probably price category at the moment. And also we support Sequoia plus Sequoia testnet. So what you can do is like if you want to kind of cross-apply to other price path, you just deploy multiple mainnets and testnet. Then maybe you can win double. All right, I'm almost running out, so I'll just quickly get to the price part. So we prepared 10K total. So first prize 5,000, second 23,000, third one 1,000 USDT, not from our token, no worry, USDT. And there's another prize pot, $2,000. Anyone who has valid submission to the Mint Club category, we're gonna share this kind of like end. Like so, for example, if there's a 10 submission of the Mint Club, and then if you won first prize, and you also get 200 from this. So in total, 5,200. So it works like that. If you could get any prize from 1, 2, 3, but still you submit it, then you still get share of this prize. I mean, this is like not for money, just for fun, so that you submit it and you still get something. Yeah, in USDT. This is not just the end of the hackathon. After this hackathon, if you are so excited to work in the Mint Club ecosystem, we have a grant program. And our grant program actually really simple process. Based on our community voters, they will vote for your project to support more. So, which is really great fuel for you to keep going on our ecosystem. Judging criteria, everything is actually described in the docs that I shared in the price section. So you can just fully read it. But the most important thing is that you just need to use Mint Club protocol as some way. And that's all. You can deploy in a mainnet or testnet. If your project is mainnet project and you don't have any gas fee, don't worry. We even have a faucet. I shared how to get the mainnet token in the Mint Club section when you go to the Discord. We give like Arbitrum, optimism base, Polygon, BNB chain, mainnet token, $1 worth as a faucet. Don't try to milk it because it's only $21 per 24 hours. But yeah, so yeah, I think that's it. Do you guys have any questions? Any questions? No? Alright. I'm gonna be in this hackathon space almost every day. And so just find me and then ask any question and I wanna help you. Also Discord, our dev team are keep watching on every question that's